Why, hello, boys and girls. I know you've all seen me at the movie theater, and I was asked to come here and introduce your next problem. I sure do hope you like it because we all really enjoyed making it. So please pay close attention and listen to your teacher. Thank you.
Welcome to Lesson AB, Picture Math. You'll notice that we have provided for you problems A, B, C, and D. And each one has a picture, and these pictures should add up across to 6 and down to a particular number, 8, 6, and 6. However, what you must do is determine the value of each picture or emoji and place the total here. For example, using logic, this column here is equal to 6. So we know that this figure must be 2 and 2 and 2 because 3 2's equals 6. So over here you'll place the number 2. Now if you know that's a 2, here's 2 and 2 is 4. So if this emoji is in here, what's the difference between 4 and 7? So this must be equal to 3. Now if this is a 2, right? And we have two other emojis here. What must they be equal to in order to equal 6? And your answer should be 2. So we have 2, 4, 6. And going across, here we have 2 and 4. 4 and 3 is equal to 7. Okay, now here's what we like to have you do. We've shown you how to do the first one. We'd like to show you how to do the rest. If you would, please complete lesson or problems B, C, and D and determine the value of each one. Now, before you do that, we'd like to have you pause the video, complete the lesson, and then when you're done, continue playing the video and we will provide you with the answer. If you would, please pause the video now. Thank you. Welcome back to our problem. Let's see how well you did. Okay, let's look and determine which one of these is logically first. Well, we have 3 emojis or 3 pictures. They're equal to 3, so each one of these is 1, 1, and 1. So we'll place the number 1 here. Okay, so if this is a 1 and this is a 1, that's 2. So this must be equal to 2, so it's equal to 4. So we place a 2 there. Now, if we have 2 and 4, and this is a 5, what must this be equal to? Well, your answer should be 1. Now, if you go down here, we have a 3 again, and here we have 1, 1, and 2, so that's equal to 4. Okay, let's look at the next problem. Which one of these is logical to start off with? And here we have this one. All 3 of these are equal to 6. So 2, 2, and 2, so we place the number 2 here. Now, if this is a 2 and this is a 2, what are these equal to? If this is a 2 and this is a 2, what are these equal to? They must be equal to 0. Okay, now if we have a 0 and a 0 here, and this is the 0 answer, what must this be equal to? Well, if you said 0, we tried to trick you. You got it right. Here we have a 0, a 0, and 0. So all 3 of these are equal to 0. So this is the only one that has a value. Let's look at the last one. Here in the last one, which one of these we want to start with? Well, we know the value of this one. Here we have 2, 2, and 2, and that's equal to 6. So the value must be equal to 2. Now, if this is a 2 and this is a 2, that's a 4. So this has got to be a number. Subtract 4 from 9, so this must be a 5. Now, here's a 5 and here's a 5, that's 10, and this is a 12, so this must be equal to 2. We got that one right. And here we have 2 and 5, 5, 6, 7, and this is an 8, so what must this be equal to? Well, it has to be a 1. So 1 plus 1, and this is a 2, so that's 4, so that adds up also. Well, we hope you enjoyed the logic used with making this puzzle work, and we want to thank you for working with us.
That's all, folks.